Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back and happy October 1st. Today is the first day of my series and I'm super excited because I cannot wait to get all these videos out to you guys. I have been hinting throughout the week on my Instagram showing you guys what's going to be featured on my series, and as far as I see, you guys have been super excited. So for today's video, the very first video of Chills and Thrills with Lils, is going to be showing you guys how I've packaged all of my Halloween embellishments. You guys always ask me, how do I package it? What do I use? So that's what today's video is going to be about. And I hope you guys enjoy. So let's start off with what I did with the little rosettes that I made. And you guys, all these projects that I'm showing you will be featured in the series. I'm going to have a video where I make one with you guys so you guys can see. So stay tuned for that. There's going to be tons of tutorials, giveaways, and hauls, just a bunch of stuff. So stay tuned for that. So this is how I packaged the rosettes. Basically what I did was I put 4 in each, and I didn't put them against a like a cardstock because I wanted them like this. Not everything I want in a cardstock. And these little bags, I always get asked, where do I get them? I'll link them down below. Sometimes I get them through eBay, sometimes I get them through Amazon. It all just depends on where I choose to get them sometimes, because sometimes they're out of stock. So I go back and forth. But yeah, that's how they look. So this is like a cute little Pasteloween baggie. Here's more traditional. And then this is another one that's like more Pasteloween. And another one that's traditional. And then here is just some extras that I have left over. So this is not really considered a packaging. I just had, after I packaged everything up, I had these left over. So they're just in here for now. And then my little memory dex cards are also all in this packaging. These are the really big ones that I did. We're definitely going to be creating some memory dex cards. We're also going to do some handmade cards. These I made using the Tim Holtz Halloween dies. So I'm definitely going to create one of these with you guys. This is the other Tim Holtz die. How fun is that? So definitely going to be making some handmade cards. And then, let me see. I want to show you guys how I packaged up my tags. So here are some tags that I made, and this is how I packaged them up. Super cute. I didn't do a lot of embellishing on the packaging this time around because I am making a lot of stuff for this month series. So I kind of want to like focus more on the actual embellishment, the actual project, than packaging all crazy on the outside. I also made these little tags, and these were made with a stamp kit, which I'll show you on the video. So get excited, you guys, because we will be making one of each. So that's gonna be fun. These are super cute. Let me see, I think I have another one here. Yeah, these are cute, the little spooky cupcakes with the little ghost kind of like creeping from behind. And this is how I packaged them. This one I added a little bit of sequins in it just because I like the way that looked. I did it on some. Here I only had I did 3 cupcakes and the little circle embellishment. And that's how those look. And then I made some bag toppers, which I also added sequins into the packaging. These are super cute. I used like a deep purple doily with a white doily and then like some black lace. And these tickets are from last year's Recollections like haunted house kit. So I took them and I used them for this because I absolutely love the way they turned out. I made 4, but of course I'll be making some with you guys. And then I made some rosettes using the Sizzix die. absolutely love how these turned out. Look at that, you guys. So we're going to be making some of these. And then of course my little fence embellishments. These are fun to make, you guys. Oh my gosh. And that's how I package these. And then the little shaker globes, I package them like this. 2 in a pack. This one kind of shifted on me, but I didn't want to reopen it. So that's how I package those. And then this is like a little, some of them I made like a little one of each. So this one has a little rosette. That rosette I think is Tim Holtz. Here's a cute little fence. I love this one. This is like one of my favorites with the little haunted house and the ghost coming from the top. I love that. And just how it says beware, enter if you dare, and like the house. I just absolutely love that one. And then we got the little mini memory decks cards. Can't wait to show you guys how to make these. And then we have more little memory decks cards. These are a little bigger than the other ones. And we have some rosettes. These are Tim Holtz. Super cute. And then also some kites, which I also added super fun sequins. Look at that sequence, you guys. Isn't that cool? So we're gonna make these. This is a die, I think also by Sizzix. So maybe the ones that I make with you guys are gonna be past Halloween, so I'm excited to share those. And then actually I made a cute little bundle here. Look at this, you guys. So it has a tag, a little rosette, one of the little circle embellishment, 2 of the circle embellishments, and a little memory decks card. So you can always package it up like this, making like a little bundle for your pen pal, which is also fun. And then we have these little rosettes that I made, and they have like a bunch of stars in them. And this is a little flower die that I have that you can do little layers. So we'll be making these. Plus, you guys, who knows how many things we're gonna make and do. It's gonna be fun. I'm hoping it's gonna be fun. I'm hoping you guys enjoy the series. But this is just to kind of show you guys how I've packaged everything up, how it'll be going out, or just to give you ideas if you want to package up your goodies for your pen pals. And yeah, so if you guys are excited, please leave me a comment down below letting me know what do you want to see in this series, because I will make it happen. I was also thinking about making a cute little like hoop mail with you guys. I made this one for a Peachy Cheap project because you guys know that I designed for them, and I thought it turned out super cute. Oops. So maybe I can make one of these as far as a tutorial. And also, hold on one second, I made some cute little fall banners, so I can make these as well with you guys and show you guys. I probably won't be able to sew on camera because just the angle is not going to work for me, but I will show you guys where I stitched and stuff like that, and we'll decorate it together, but I'll have it already sewn. But yeah, you guys, these turned out super cute, and I just packaged them up in the little baggies. It's Halloween paper, but I loved the plaid. But that's it for today's video. Stay tuned for many projects. Also, you guys, I'm thinking about decorating one of these with you guys, painting it and creating a Halloween shadow box. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this. If I film it, it's probably gonna be like a speed up video because this might take me some time and I'm so indecisive. But if I do, it's probably gonna be like a speed up video and then like a project share. So definitely stay tuned for the series. I hope you guys have an amazing, great month. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one.